Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how you can go ahead and use promo code on the Domino's Pizza app. Now let's go ahead and open up our Domino's Pizza app right here. And if you have already set up your account, you should be able to have your delivery address, and then your closest Domino's Pizza will be connected via that. Now as you can see here, there is some promos available, which usually adds an automatic discount or automatic voucher inside your purchase. But say for example that we want to go ahead and add our own promo code. So let's go into our menu and then let's just select a pizza right here. As you can see here, there are some available vouchers here. And as long as you go ahead and meet the criteria right here, then you should be able to use any of these. So say for example that let's add this ultimate spicy meatball right here, and then let's just go ahead and click add. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our basket right here on the top right, and then as you can see here, there is these options right here. So it says here add a voucher. There are 3 available, so just go ahead and click on that and you should be able to see all of the available vouchers. Or if you have a discount code, you can go ahead and add it right here. Now you can actually get some discount codes or voucher codes if you have signed up and connected your phone into the Domino's app. So every time that they have a specific discount, you should be able to get some messages from Domino's itself, and then you can just go ahead and apply the voucher code right here. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.